How do I get rid of Rocket Money? Have you ever been frustrated with your monthly bills? Do you feel like you're constantly overspending? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with their finances. One of the most popular tools to help people manage their money is Rocket Money. But what if you're not happy with Rocket Money? How do you get rid of it? In this video, we're going to answer the question, how do I get rid of Rocket Money? We'll also discuss some alternatives to Rocket Money. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, find ways to save money, and negotiate better deals. It also offers a credit score monitoring service. Why would you want to get rid of Rocket Money? There are a few reasons why you might want to get rid of Rocket Money. Here are a few of the most common reasons. You're not happy with the service. Rocket Money has been known to have some technical issues. Some users have also complained about the customer service. You're not using all of the features. Rocket Money offers a lot of features, but if you're only using a few of them, it might not be worth the money. You're looking for a cheaper alternative. There are a number of other personal finance apps available that offer similar features for a lower price. How to get rid of Rocket Money? If you're ready to get rid of Rocket Money, here are the steps you need to take. Go to the Rocket Money website or app. Click on the Settings tab. Select Cancel My Subscription. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once you've canceled your subscription, you will no longer have access to Rocket Money. Alternatives to Rocket Money. If you're looking for an alternative to Rocket Money, here are a few options. Mint. Mint is a free personal finance app that offers a wide range of features, including budgeting, tracking your spending, and finding ways to save money. In-app. In-app is a paid personal finance app that is designed to help you budget your money effectively. Truebill. Truebill is a free app that helps you cancel and use subscriptions and negotiate better deals. Getting rid of Rocket Money is easy. If you're not happy with the service, you can simply cancel your subscription. There are also a number of other personal finance apps available that offer similar features for a lower price. If you're looking for a way to save money, I encourage you to try one of the alternative personal finance apps that I mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to compare the features of different personal finance apps before choosing one. Read online reviews of different personal finance apps before making a decision. Consider your own personal needs and preferences when choosing a personal finance app. I hope this video has helped you learn how to get rid of Rocket Money and find a better alternative. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.